Right, okay, so today we're going to be opening a lightning round, see if we get a decent. So let's get opening. First pack, dead. So let's just keep opening these until we get something decent. Mbappe. Let's go. Oh, that was a Togs. Please be a good one. Not bad, I guess. It's one of the new ones, so it's alright. Yeah, Mane. Right. Come on, I want something good. Special packs or special plus packs are probably the best for lightning rounds. That's when you get like icons and stuff in the best packs. That was the worst pack yet. Fotness. Dead one. This ain't going very well so far apart from that Mane. Come on, just someone good. Come on, for the first video, give me something like decent, I guess. Modric's pretty dead. Alright, special plus packs. Come on. Oh, icon, first pack. Oh, it's not a walkout. Oh, I thought I was in for a jackpot then. Come on. Gold. Come on. Inform. Oh, it's an Inform walkout. Hopefully it's a new one. Probably that Mbappe. I've already got. Yeah, it's going to be that 91 Mbappe. Is it 91 or is it 93? I'm not sure. 89. That's an old one. I literally guessed it wrong. I was going for the new one because I packed him like 4 times. Right, special packs. One to watch. No. Come on. Another Inform. Terrible one. Inform again. Oh, walkout this time. Please be good. Come on. It's looking like I've got his name, Thiago Silva or Marquinhos, what his name is. Yeah, that's it. Alright, UCL pack. You pretty dead. So we've got all this to open, and then I'll have to end the video. So 3 team elite packs all walk out. Is it gonna be out good? Swear down, if it's oh, it's not Marquinhos again. That's good. 87. Look at the smiley face on his, like, just below his ear. Another team elite pack. Not a walkout this time. Well, let's have a look at the new cards quickly. Oh, no, I don't think there are any new ones came out today. Yeah, but I still need quite a lot. I've got all the tags. I just need some of these cards. I've got the code, the blackish and orange ones, and I need some man of the matches as well. And I need 1 record breaker and all of the all-star nominees. So we've got some all-star nominee packs here anyway. So hopefully we can get a new one. Oh, that was a headliner, I think, if I'm right. Yep, headliner. Not actually quite sure what this is. Oh, it's not duplicate. Oh, okay. Oh, that's not too bad pack. Right, let's get an all-star now. come on. UCL. I need one more UCL. It's Rodriguez, I think. I think it's 88 rated. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, Thiago Silva. David Silva. Come on. It's not a great look this lightning round, unfortunately. Come on. Oh yeah, I just want someone like really good just for the video. UCL. And guys, if you're interested in Pacebits and Pacebits edits and giveaways, stuff like that, make sure you go follow my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm posting daily giveaways. I'm nearly at 400 followers, so hopefully we can get to 400 by tonight. There's a giveaway actually on my page now, so if you're interested, make sure you go down to the link in the description, go follow and enter. It's not very hard. It's like follow 3 people actually. I forgot mention on the story, tag 3 friends and comment done, so it's not really that hard. You can be in for a chance to win like 10 Pacebits icons, 10 icon moments, 5 foot B-days, and 100 mil. So if you're like not very good at Pacebits and you've only got a short amount of money, just make sure you go enter. Still nothing good. What is happening? Not the best of lightning rounds today. Still got quite a lot to open though. I want to open these, but I'm gonna wait. Hopefully I can get up to level 18 as well soon. I'm trying to get 100% collection. I think I'm on 94 at the moment. I'll have to check. I'm pretty sure I'm on 94. Yeah, 94. My duplicates are looking good now as well. So yeah, if you want to do some trades, just make sure you go over to my Instagram and DM me. We could do some trades, or sometimes I give things away for free when I feel like it. I've got all the tags apart from one, I think, all the new ones anyway. The Messi, Ronaldo, and the old Messi, Van Dijk, old De Gea, Sterling, Eriksen, Vertonghen, etc. You know. So yeah, just if you want something, just tell me, and yeah, I'll show you all my stuff closer. My Pacebits icons, I got Lucio twice, or 2 of them. So yeah, let's get back opening my lightning round. Oh come on, this is getting boring now. I had to walk out in ages. I'm on the match pack. Hope we can get someone in this because there's new man matches out. In my next video, I might be doing some trading. Like, might do like half an hour trading. So see what I get. I don't know. Just comment below what you want to see on Pacebits. Like, yeah. Salah. This is, I don't realise how bad this is. How? As soon as like I record, it's going to get bad lightning rounds. Come on. Come on, give me a Pacebits icon. Oh, imagine if I actually said that and I go and get one. That would actually be really good. Come on. Oh. Might do some trading in this video. I might do a couple of trades. Come on. Good Pacebits icon. Oh. it's so bad luck. What is happening? Icon moment packs. I'm not going to open the silver and bronze ones because there's no point, because I've already got them all. I might open the silver special packs. I might need to get some. Might get one of those. Ooh, never mind. Right. Alright guys, I'll probably, if you need coins, just DM me on Instagram and I will definitely give you some coins because I've got quite a lot. Oh, Icon, I've got 1.1 billion. Oh, Icon moment as well, yes. Who's that going to be? It could be Kulevert, how do you say his name? Hullet, Van Nistelrooy. Kulevert, yeah. I probably said that totally wrong, but yeah. It's like, I'll probably give him away for free. Just, yeah, I was out of an Icon moment pack as well. That's a little bit of luck on our side. Hopefully we can get something else. Last Icon moment pack, go on in form. Not walk out. And Totty packs, last 3 packs. Bad. Imagine if I actually get Totty in the last pack. That would actually be funny. And last pack, come on, nose pack in it. Oh, that was a pretty bad lightning round. I've got quite a lot of golds though, like not informs, gold walkouts that kept popping up. So yeah, I'll show you my duplicates a little bit slower this time. So I've got quite a lot of icon moments. I'll show you my foot birthdays. So people still need them. I got a lot, and I'll show you my carnivals. Yep, and headliners. And I'll show you my man and matches. Got quite a lot, but none of the new ones, unfortunately. I've got loads of icons. I'll probably just give these away for free. And yeah, it's all specials. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you just leave a like. I'll go into one trade and then I'll end this video. So I'm just going to probably give this guy something for free because I'm feeling nice. Okay, we're getting into a trade, establishing. Come on, let's get into another one. If it can actually connect. Here we go. Gonna start. Come on. Alright, looks like it's not connecting. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like. And if you want to enter some giveaways on my page, go over to my Instagram. Go and give me a follow. Get me up to 400. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.